Okay guys, and welcome back to this video. So today I'm going to show you how to chat with friends on in Roblox through your mobile. That is how to chat with friends on in Roblox on your mobile phone. So what you need to do is you're going to open your Roblox. The next step you're going to do is once you open your Roblox, just wait for it to open. Yeah, this is it. This is our Roblox. This is your. So guys, as you guys are waiting, please subscribe so you get avoid new details of our video dropping. So guys, let's wait for it. It's been loading. Sorry for that guys, I think it's network that is swamming this to be very slowly. Okay guys, so how do you chat with your friend or Roblox? Oh sorry guys, that takes a lot of time. Now this is it. So this is my home. I'm going to click on home. Now how do you get to chat? You need to do is if you look at this icon here, there's a chat here. This is it. So click on the chat. Now once you click on the chat, you can see there's nothing that show here. That means you did not have any friend on your Roblox. So when you do not have any friend on your Roblox, and you're gonna see in the chat pop up here. So what you need to do is the first option is you have a friend. Once you add a friend, and how do you add a friend on Roblox? It is only one way. You then connect with your contacts, you send an invite to them, or send your send your key out to them. So I'm going to show you how to connect with your friends. If you don't connect with your friends, you did not add you on their Discord, you did not add them on their Roblox, there's no way you're going to see a chat on your Roblox chat. So let's connect with our contacts now. You need to connect with your contacts, send them an invite, so that they send an invite to you. You allow them, you accept them before you be able to have a chat on your Roblox. So that is why it's not easy to chat on Roblox, because it's not where you're able to find any friend anyhow like that Instagram, like Facebook. No, you need to connect with your friends directly. So these are the friends you have on your phone that are Roblox. You send an invite to them. When you send an invite to them, they're going to see the invite. Once they accept it, then you'll be able to see them here. Let me show you. Once you send an invite to them, then they're going to show up here that you have a friend, and that is where you'll be able to chat with them. So once you have a friend here, what you need to do is just come to this pencil, click on the pencil. Once you click on the pencil, you're going to be able just search the person, you're going to be able to chat with that. So guys, if this really helps, drop a like, subscribe, and drop any comments there if there's anything you did not find easy. Trust me, I'm going to drop in the next video. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for our next video.